Right, so what I'm going to first do is I'm going to go to annotate dimensions. I'm going to change the dimensions new. I'm going to do like fraction. What I like is symbols and arrows. I like this 0.075. I like the text also. Am I recording? I am, okay. 0.075. And I'm also going to change my units to fractional. 1/16 is fine for me. Okay. Looks good. And then the second thing I'm going to first set up is layer properties. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to name it as right. Change from continuous, press load, click inside, press H. I like hidden 2. Press OK. Click that. Press OK. Now I have dotted lines. All right, so the first thing I'm going to create is a box with dimensions of 3.25 and 2.375. Zoom. It's going to create a line that goes across. Doesn't matter the length right now. This is going to be 2.375. And across, how much do I want to go? Is 0.36. And just connect it to the bottom right here. Cool. So now we have that. I'm going to press trim. I'm going to close that out. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this first box here. This is going to be 0.75. Down. And then from here is 0.375, 0.375. Go down. And it's also 0.375 from here, 0.375 across. Cool. So now I'm going to create my circle here, and it's going to be 3/16. Also going to create another circle. It's going to be 3/32. Cool. I'm going to do a annotation, do a center line between there, center line between here. It's just going to help me out in the future so I don't have to do it multiple times. Going to do 0.375 again, and there. Okay, so now I have 3/16, 3/32, 3/32. Right, and now I can start deleting some lines. So I don't need that anymore. I do need to create some center marks for those. Okay. What I also want to do is I want to create another circle in the center. That does the same thing. So 3/16 and then 3/32. And then it says that the radius of that chamfer or that fillet is 25. So I'm going to go down by 0.25. Cool. Where is it? There it is. Just do that. Same on the other side. 0.25. Okay. fillet this and that. Oh, I didn't choose the radius. Give me a second. So radius 0.25. There we go. Fillet the same on the other side. There we go. Trim. Boop, boop. I can trim a little bit more here. And the chamfer says it's 1/16. So I'm going to do 1/16 that way, and then just go vertically down. It's also 1/16 this way, 16 horizontal. 16, and I'm just going to go to that line. Oops, maybe not that. Maybe I want to do like something of this, 1/16. Just go there. 1/16. Oh, not what I wanted. Oops. 1/16. Horizontal. Okay. And I also want to do a 1/16 here. $16. So now I'm going to just fillet that and that. Gets rid of that. Fillet again. Oops, I need this right there. Fillet. Oop, oop. I can delete this line. Now I want to do just some diagonals of 45 degrees. Delete some of these. Okay. Now what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to create another center line between these two. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press mirror, select this whole thing, press enter, select that area, and there we go. Now trim off the excess. So that. There we go. So now we have the first piece done. Now, second piece, I'm just going to create some horizontal lines. Make it easy for me. You can do it. Fine. They want me to do a center line between these two. Fine. Fine. Okay. What I need to do is create a 1/16 chamfer line. So 1/16. Vertical line. And what I'm going to do is 1, 2, 1, create a second one of those. And I'm going to delete this part, trim, trim. Then I'm going to do a dotted line. Oop. Perfect. All right, and now I can delete these. There we go. I'm going to create another center line, just so I can mirror it on the other side. Mirror this, that, 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 and that. Press enter. I'm going to say this is my mirroring plane. Go like that. Press no. Okay. Now I just have one more bit to go. Go back to the normal one. Maybe go back to dotted here. Line. Cool. Back to normal. Create those lines. The countersink. I'm going to trim or delete. Delete that, delete that, delete those. Now we have our piece for the most part. We just need to dimension it. So dimension, this is why we did the earlier thing. So first one I'm going to dimension is probably this. No? From here to here. Then I'm going to also dimension from here to the center line. And then I want to do from here to here. Oh, not a circle. I wanted to dimension that. Hello. Hi, girl. I wanted to also dimension from here to here. Okay. And then I wanted another dimension from here to here. Cool. I wanted to dimension this bit here. So the center point to the edge. That's fine. And I also wanted to dimension this corner right here. Dimension this one. Oh, not what I wanted. There we go. And then I wanted to dimension chamfer. Oh, I forgot to do the chamfer. So let's do that right now. So select first line, I want to do distance. Select second line, click that, click that. You can do it. Come on. I believe in you. Select first line. Distance too large. Okay. So maybe I need to do dis 1/16. Why is it not doing it? Chamfer. Click distance. 1/16. Yeah, this should work. Huh. It's not working for me for some reason, but you're going to add a chamfer there. I'm just going to simulate it like that. Instead, so I can do I believe in you. I'm just going to simulate it like that for now, because if it's not working for me, it's going to take a while. Take that out. Boom. Take that out. Move that dimension, re-add this dimension, so here to here. Not what I wanted. From here to here is 1/16. Okay, that is all the dimensions, I think. You just need to add in like all the other stuff. So just all the words. Gotta add in that guide right there. I felt like all the other ones are redundant, so I didn't add them in because it's symmetrical. But yeah, so then you go to layout. I have to save it first. So let's call it drawing. Let's call it like ASDF. Save it to my desktop. And then I'm going to go to layout, and it's already there. If you want to like edit it, you can press escape. Ooh. Double click inside, and then you can like zoom in, zoom out, move it around with the center mouse wheel. Or you can do like zoom extents, zoom windows, or zoom all. But I like to do zoom window specifically. And then I like to just create my bounds like this instead. And that's how I do the mill project.
Did you have dinner yet?